We check in now on the latest cattle market news with our market update, brought to you by CattleFax.
Hello, I'm Zimmerman with the CattleFax update. Live cattle and lean hog futures prices received a boost after the USDA released its cold storage report for end of March inventories. Supply concerns contributed to the recent record high wholesale prices for beef and pork, and market participants expected this behavior to encourage stockpiling over the last month. However, higher prices appeared to derail any storage intentions for processors and end users. Ahead of the seasonally higher summer demand period, frozen red meat and poultry supplies are down 12.5% compared to last year. That's the equivalent of nearly 277 million pounds of red meat and poultry. More than 1/4 of the decline came from reduced pork supplies. Total pork in storage was down more than 72 million pounds in March compared to the previous year. A 24 million pound reduction in pork trim was the largest classified contributor to the frozen pork decline. Total beef in cold storage was down 21% compared to March of last year, and the 306 million pound year-over-year reduction accounted for more than 1/3 of the total red meat and poultry decline. Similar to pork, frozen lean beef trimmings contributed the most to the shortfall. Frozen beef trim was down 96 million pounds, or 21%, compared to a year ago. Poultry inventories also dropped. Frozen chicken and turkey stocks declined more than 105 million pounds. Despite the year-over-year declines, March cold storage inventories are actually similar to the 10-year average. But challenges will likely face some processors as they look for specific frozen items this summer. Lean pork and beef trimming buyers may be facing the biggest procurement obstacles as markets transition to a key production period for hot dogs, hamburgers, and bratwursts. Expect these tighter inventories, along with smaller overall pork and beef production, to provide more support than typical for trim and end meat values going into summer. For the Angus Report and CattleFax, I'm Zimmerman.
To learn more about CattleFax, your leading source for beef industry market information, visit CattleFax.com.